Everyone, and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. This is the second part to continue making our amber. If you haven't seen the previous videos yet, in the description of this video I will share the link with you, because with this tutorial I will teach you how to make the diadem, but I'm already show you all the materials that you need to make this doll, and also I guide you in the videos you need to see before continue with this part to make the base, body and the hair. Then in the description of this video you can find all the links that you need. Then if you are ready, let's continue making the diadem. We will start using white colored yarn, and on round 1 we will start with a magic ring and 6 single crochet, 1 chain for secure and 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and you can close the magic ring. Put some mark if you think that is necessary, but I prefer doesn't put the mark because we need make 6 single crochet in each round from round 2 to 50, but in the real life if you don't want to count, it's okay. You just need, make the arch. Then just continue making in spiral single crochets, and later you can count the rounds, and approximately 50 will be okay. If you want less or more, you can also do it, but I think this size is perfect for the amber's head. You need to make this in the beginning, and that's it. Just continue making single crochet, and later you can count the rounds. In my case, I'm already made approximately like 50 rounds, and I think it's enough. But if you want to make this diadem bigger than this one or larger than this one, you can also do more rounds or more single crochet. Then now this piece is ready to put it the wire. Now I just put the wire, and later I will show you how to close this piece. For the ears, we will continue using white colored yarn and on round 1 a magic ring with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can close the magic ring and put some mark because we will work in a spiral. And on round 2 we will start with 1 single crochet and in the next point 1 increase. We will repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 2 times more and we will finish with 9 points. And on round 3 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and in the next point 1 increase. We will repeat 2 single crochet and 1 increase 2 times more. We will finish this round with 12 points. On round 4, we will start with 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and now 1 increase. We will repeat 3 single crochet and 1 increase 2 times more. We will finish this round with 15 points. On round 5, starting with 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now 1 increase. Then we will repeat 4 single crochet and 1 increase 2 times more. We will finish this round with 18 points. From round 6 to 10, we will make 18 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round and repeating exactly the same until round 10. 18 single crochet in each round. On round 11, we will start with 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now 1 decrease. We will repeat 4 single crochet and 1 decrease 2 times more. We will finish with 15 points. On round 12, 15 single crochet, 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 13, starting with 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and now 1 decrease. We will repeat the same 2 times more and we will finish with 12 points. And on rounds 14 and 15, 12 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round and repeating exactly the same on round 15. When you finish the round 15, on rounds 14, 15, and 16, we will make 12 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round and exactly the same on rounds 15 and 16. When you finish the round 16, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for close now using a wool needle and also to make the union later with the diadem. Then pay close attention and you can see how I made that. It's easy, and also you can use glue, I'm so sorry, glue for that union, but in this case I prefer soy. some blush on the ears, the same that like we put on these rabbits. If you want to make this little rabbit in the form of a eggs, you can visit the links that I share with you in the description of this video because we already have this tutorial for you. And for the uh, I will put this brush that is not permanent, but if you can use a permanent blush, you can also do it. But I like this blush because in the future we can change the color and that's it. Then put just a little and the color that you prefer. This detail is ready, but we didn't finish yet. We need more accessories for this doll, the shoes, dress, everything. I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next part, bye bye.